For the animal testing, we need the some special animals like monkey, rats, and rabbits.
As you can see that Chandrayaan 1 don't get uneven information and Chandrayaan 2 is upgraded model of Chandrayaan 1.
According to me, I believe that homework should not be given.
हाय एवरीवन। गाइस आज हम गोल्डन ईगल्स में जो कि नीरज सर का बैच है और ये कुछ चैंप्स खड़े हैं हमारे आसपास और ये हैं स्टूडेंट्स नीरज सर की। तो भाई आज हम आपसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, देन वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द सेशन। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन दोस्तों, व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू गो विद, प्रिपेयर्ड डिबेट और अनप्लान्ड डिबेट? Oh, that's lovely. You want to go with unplanned debate. Okay. Second question. You want topic to be given by me and you want it to choose by yourself. You want me to give the topic. Means you want me to give some topics and you don't want to prepare. You want to speak random. Ready?
Yes, sir.
बहुत बड़े guys. Let's have a big hand for this kid. I want two most initiative kids of this class here who believes I'm the best. आ जाओ यहाँ पे, आ जाओ भाई फटाफट। अनमोल and Ishan. Hi Ishan.
Hi, yeah.
Hi Anmol. Okay, so Anmol and Ishan, I want to ask a question. What do you think? Homework should be given or should not be given? So
Should be given.
you believe homework should not be given?
Yes, sir.
Homework should be
Given.
That's lovely, guys. Guys, both of you would have 4 minutes of time and you gotta be speaking within that 4 minute only.
According to me, I believe that homework should not be given. As you know that we are going many of places like tuition 2 or 3 hours. As I am going to tuition 2 hours. Like I am having no school homework, no tuition homework, and bari like sending recordings and the daily things which we do, daily routine. In that also we are having something like self study. We have to do this. It is also a self homework which we have to do every day that we can practice. It's not like that giving every day school homework. You are also getting tuition homework, bari like they're sending recording. So you are already having these types of this much homework. So I think so homework should not be given.
Can't you understand the meaning of time management? Can't you do time management? If you don't know, so let me teach you. Time management is a thing which you learn that how to manage your time. Like let's take an example of some that content creators. They send the vlogs of 20 minutes and you know how much time it takes for editing, 2 to 3 hours. But you don't know how to do time management. Let me explain you. I can do my school homework also, my tuition homework also, and send the bari recordings also. Why can't you? If you would not be able, so we should not give every student homework for you only.
Bro, it's not like this. I am not like you. There are many of us who are also having homework, who are having pressure of homework. Now exams are coming, final exams are coming. In this, we are doing revision. It's also a practice of our only school. Now homework would be given now. And you can see now in final term is coming, so teachers are not giving homework so that student can prepare in their home.
For your kind information, in my school or in every school of Dwarika, homework is given less for the final exam revision for the students. So the teachers are giving less homework as compared to the normal homework because the children can practice in the home. And for your kind information, you said that it is a big pressure. But not in these classes. It becomes a pressure in 10th, 11th or 12th. Not in these
You can see
primary
in
classes.
class only there are many students which can't learn or which can't speak, or like teachers said them to read, so they can't read also. Means they need a time management and they can't have time management. Why? Their tuition now, I am having tuition 3 to 5, then I come very 6 o'clock, like think that 1 hour I send recording. So what I will do after? I will not do dinner. I will not eat dinner, or I will do homework only.
Who said you that you have to leave your breakfast, lunch and dinner? Who said you? If you
I
know
am
na,
talking about dinner.
if you know na that if like what you said, In morning you go school, you came back to the school, 1 hour you sleep that or do anything in that 1 hour. 3 to 5 is your tuition, 5 to 6 you come to Bari, and 6 o'clock you go to home. But when you sleep, can you tell me?
Timing at of course 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. So you have 3 hours. 3 hours is more than enough to do your school homework, tuition homework, and revision, and doing the dinner also. And if you want na that you watch TV while eating dinner, so you take 30
Or
hours.
also self-study, we need 1 hour.
You take half an hour to eat the lunch when you watch TV. If you don't watch TV also na, so you can eat your dinner in 15 or 10 minutes. And you said that self-studies can also be held. You 1 or half an hour would you take to complete your school and tuition homework, and you can send that 1 hour recording or 30 minutes recording, and 1 hour what is.
But I don't preface with your point. According to me, this should not be given only. Now you can see final exam, revision, school homework, tuition homework, Bari recording, self-study. 6 things. Six things we have to do in one day only. Now you are having 3 hours, na? But we can do in 6 things about 3 hours.
3 hours you can do.
We can't properly revise also for our exams. For total one subject, we also need 1 hour. It's not like a ABCD that we can learn in 2 minutes. We need something. Time.
You don't have time, but everybody have time. You think you can do these things in 3 hours, but who have that ambitions and who have that goal that I have to do it at that point of time, he can do. But if you don't want to do, so you cannot do anything. If you even
There
want
are
to
many,
do.
you can ask with anyone. There are many who are not able to do because they are just mind sleepy. So that's all.
Guys, as you have seen the champs of Golden Eagles. Now I've got another challenging question. Yeah, guys, anybody who dares to come here? Panshu, बहुत बढ़िया. That's a big hand for the Panshu guys. What's up, big hand for Anubhav? Again, we are here with this new debate, and the topic is going to be zoo. Should be banned and should not be banned. This boy named Dipanshu believes zoo should be
Banned.
zoo should be banned. At the same, this boy named Anubhav believes
You should not do that.
it should not be banned. So here we go.
Okay, if I talk about the zoo, I believe that zoo should be banned in our in this entire world, because if I talk about the animals, they have also got the life, and they should only live in the jungle. They have got their own home, so they should live there. And if you are thinking that the people would get entertainment and people would get harm, so they would if we can also say that make a zoo for us, that we would also get in prison, and we can also can harm, and this all that all.
As you should not be banned because the people get entertained from that, and it is also a source of earning money. And it is not we are killing the animal. We are also giving them sufficient food and all this stuff to live.
For your kind information, as you said, that is a source to earn money. There are several sources to earn money. It doesn't matter that you would open a zoo and you would get money from that. You can also earn from the trading. If you're not aware about the trading, you can earn from the several business you can do, and these type of things. And you are saying that that people would get harm and they would entertain. So can't you go in the circus, and can't you go in the, we can say there are several places where you can get entertainment, like you can go stand-up comedy, you can also get the entertainment, and you would also get the enjoyment, and these type of things you can do from there, not going zoo and you would get the entertainment.
But in the zoo, we can see many animals are there that we have not seen ever in our lives. And they got also food, and they are also living their life there.
We can also book type of that. You can see there are the several type of places, jungles. You can book there and you can go, as there is given in, if I talk about Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand there are several like zoos not zoo, we can say type of jungles. We can see there and we can explore, and we can also see from front of them, front of our eyes, the animals. While getting them in prison, we cannot live like this. That.
But if any animal went from the forest and he don't know his where he have to go in the forest, where is their house, so what he will do?
So if I talk about that, you are saying that if any animals go anywhere and if if it got any type of human being and going to harm, so he can the animals also have the sense that they would not go out of. They can get the bear and other of the animals to hunt and they can eat them.
Firstly, the people of the zoo do not harm them. Easily they catch them and in the prison.
No, who said that they catch them? They only harm them to make. And do you know that for their fun, for their enjoyment, they hunt them. If I hunt you, so would you get die or you would get a life only? They would get also the hunt. If I cut your one, like can say a finger, so you would get harm or you would be okay.
But in the zoo, you can see good. The animals are very fit, good. They do not harm the animals before.
And do you know that you are saying that there are fit and other. Who's the fit and good? Like they're well, so they would be in zoo only. Who is injured and other of part they are getting problem or any of animals. They get the when they get the injuries, so they get there are the several type of the organization which they only put them the animals and they save them, not going zoo and to entertain people and to live and clicking photos the people.
When they get injuries, so the zoo people only treat them.
No, who said for your kind information that for your kind. No, now this is my
while taking the animal to the doctor or to the hospital.
Okay,
Because the responsibility is of them only.
tell me who said that few of them I have seen that there, if I talk about there is a several cases which are pending that the people are also going they are only saying that a few of the zoos what they are doing, they are putting the animals for entertainment to people, but if any animal get any type of injury, so they are not responsible for it. The animals are getting injuries and they are getting die. So tell me the thing, are they doing are they responsible for them?
How they will die if they got if they got everything?
Next two champs of Golden Eagles are requested to come.